TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the day after we had a very big volume day yesterday, volume's been considerably lighter today, with some of the biggest trades going up electronically in the crowd. The big trade we're looking at today is the Jan 24 puts. There was a buyer of 33,000 of those puts paying $1.95. That went up shortly after the open. The buyer putting the trade up electronically, trades $1.95, and that buyer is looking for a drop in the January future to a level more in line with where the VIX cash is right now, in the low 21s. That's what they're hoping for on that trade. Other than that, January's been pretty slow. We've had a couple of straddle trades on the Jan 23 line, which is where the future is currently living. That traded $2.17.5, a buyer of that as well. In further back months, I find it interesting that we're seeing a return to 1x2 swap trading. Now, this was the biggest driver of volume we've had over the last 12 to 18 months. Call 1x2 swaps. They would trade 100,000 at a time. They were very, very big trades for the VIX. We're seeing it right now in the February-April 25-30 1x2 swap. The customer coming in buying 2 of those April 30 calls. They're paying between 105 and 110 right now. The volume is nothing like what we saw last year, but it's the first time we're seeing that trade in maybe 6 months, as the VIX cash levels are now significantly lower and customers are beginning to get more interested in VIX upside. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1, Option Monster.